And now you're tuned into Kirby's Garage. Before we get started here with the unboxing video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe buttons and the thumbs up. Thank you very much. Now let's get into it. Alright, welcome back to Kirby's Garage. Today we're gonna be unboxing and trying out this Bauer 4.5 peak horsepower, and that's 9 gallons shop vac. It's a wet vac also, so yeah. And here's all the specs on it. Peak horsepower, amps, voltage, hose length, power cord, flow rate, and weight. There's that. I believe that's the part number right there. All right. All right. Instructions, if you don't know how to use a shop vac. All right, you got the wheels, you got screws, you got 2 attachments. This one I believe is the floor one, the one that they call the floor. And then this is just your really nice, you just suck up everything. And of course, you got the hose, and you got this. I got this on sale for the member price of $68 this Black Friday. So yeah. So we're just gonna turn this over, and we're gonna just quickly put the wheels on. And that's what the screws are for. Get off my hand. All right. I'll be right back when I get a screwdriver and get this all screwed together. All right, and now we're back as I tighten up the last screw. All right, it's really that simple. And then you got your filter here that can be changed out. This has a little clip on it that just slides in and clips on, so it's nice and sturdy. All right. And these, for storage, could go right here. So that's really nice that they have that feature. And see, now it's locked. All right, I'm gonna do the power cord here. Don't need that. All right. We're gonna put the big suction cup on. And we're gonna take you over to the inside of my truck. And yes, I did get the engine trans out. As you can see, there's a little bit of rust. Alright, let me go get a light so you guys can. Alright, and now we're back. I'm going to turn on the shop vac and see if it can pick up all this dirt and stuff that's inside this can. So let's see. Alright, so here you have the part number. Like I said, it's a 9-gallon wet dry vacuum. Oh, vac if you want to call it short. And it's 4.5 peak horsepower. And it's Bowers from Harbor Freight. I think this worked great for the price and all that. I mean, I guess you can argue and all that there's better ones out there, but this works for my needs. So once again, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you next time on Kirby's Garage.